Trade Confident family. Guys, what's going on? I do not have my face on this video. I'm sorry you don't get to look at my beautiful mugshot because I have some charts to show you guys today. One chart is making me a little nervous in the market. Our members don't even know about this chart. So this is going to be a chart that everybody will get to see for the first time. I've never shared it before. Neither has Jake. And then I actually want to teach you guys today how to watch the inflows of the Blackrock, the Grayscale, and the Fidelity ETF, and how you guys can use this chart. I'm going to show you guys how to set this up to make really, really good buying opportunities for Bitcoin. So we're going to dive into this. First things first, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. We do have an indicator sale going on. I'm not even going to go over indicators in this video. Just know that in the description, we have an indicator sale going on. Our indicators have been crushing it lately. 156 wins and 0 losses. If you guys want to get a membership in the description, it's $59 a month. We're going to up this to $65 on the halving event, April 20th. But you guys can see our performance record here real quick before I get into the analysis today. We've got 4 trades active. We are taking 10% wins, 10% win, 10, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 10, 10. It's been a lot of fun, guys. 85.26% of all of our trades have never needed a buy limit. Only 1.92% of our trades have used 2 buy limits. All right, that's enough. I'm going to keep the mystery strong. You guys have to get into the membership now to see all the trade calls that we're taking. We have the highest win rate ever recorded on YouTube for scalping trades, and we are very blessed about that. I don't mean to be arrogant at all when I make that statement. I think God's given us a lot of wisdom of how to navigate these markets with that good risk management we're using for those trades. So here we go. Guys, I'm going to show you how to find the best buying opportunities based off the ETF purchases, what we call high and low volume nodes. Now, I've seen some people show this online before, but they've never shown how to create this over here. So I'm going to do this from scratch. Everybody follow along. Pop me open on a different screen. All of you guys with 4 monitors. Open me up on one and then open up a clean chart on another one. First thing I want you guys to do, we're going to open Blackrock, IBIT. This is the iShares Bitcoin Trust. I wish it would say Blackrock on here. It just does not. So if it doesn't say Blackrock, that's fine. Just iShares Bitcoin Trust. Now, everybody go to indicators. Go to visible range volume profile. It is under technicals. This is not something someone made. It's built into TradingView. Here's what you guys get. Now, right off the bat, you're like, okay, this looks all right. It doesn't look anything, in my opinion, like something that is useful. We need to get these bars tighter, and we need to visually see a larger range. Here's what you guys are going to do. Click in here and follow along with me. You guys want to come over here to row size, and I like to just do this. I like to put this as like a 30, so choose if you like to do that or not. I like 30. Okay, volume up and down area. Do you guys see how this is less strong of a color, or let's say more transparent than this right here? I want to see everything. So come down here and go to 100. This will make everything really strong. Okay, next, I want you guys to go over to style and make everything the exact same color. This is just the easiest way to interpret this. You'll understand why I'm doing this at the end here. POC, which stands for what's called point of control. You can leave this on here. I don't leave it on here because you're not going to need it for the study today. All right, back to inputs. Last thing, change this. Do not keep it at 30. Look how chunky this is. This is not telling you guys much data. Here is what you guys want to see. You need to see 100. Look how much better this data is of telling you exactly where the price is. Let me go back and show you why I do not use 30. You're like, okay, the price is 37.87, or is the price 38.45? It's like, you can't even tell. Go to 100. Get this thing dialed in. Now you can tell exactly down to about 3 or 4 cents here where it's at. Once you have that, click OK, save your chart. What I've done, which I think is fun, and I think you guys can do this as well, is I've opened up Blackrock. So follow me. Blackrock is over here. Grayscale is in the middle, and Fidelity is to the right. If you're going to track 3, these are the 3 to track. They're the ones with the highest volume. Now, let me give you guys some good stuff to write down here. Let me give you some education, and then we'll get into the scary chart after this. That is, you guys can see volume-wise if there is money heading into the ETFs or if there's money heading out. This is very strong data to say what is the sentiment of the ETF owners, the institutions behind these ETFs. Are they selling or are they buying today? That's one piece of data. But the most important data, and if you guys are members, listen up to this because I've never even shared this with you guys either before, is you can use these high volume nodes as buy-in opportunities. They're called BIOs, B-I-O. You guys, you're like, it stands for bio. No. They're buy-in opportunities. And here's the theory behind it, is that I do not believe, and I've watched them do this, I do not believe BlackRock is going to drop their ETF price below the levels of their highest acquisition. There's not a point to do so. When you have all the money and you can drive the price up, there's no point at dropping the price back down to reacquire cryptocurrency where you've already bought a massive amount. That is why they are coming up, they're breaking all-time highs on Bitcoin on purpose. They're then selling some of their own Bitcoin, guys, and they're dropping it down and they're scooping up right before they get to their acquisition levels. Did you just understand what I said? This is very powerful, guys. The way you can use this is that you can use all of these high volume nodes here, this one right here, even look at Grayscale right there, right here, and obviously I'm gonna come over to the left, the right here. You can use all these guys as buying opportunities. Technically, you don't even need to look at a Bitcoin chart and you can find great opportunities. How do you do this? You wait for the price to come down at around this level here, and then you can buy cryptocurrency or Bitcoin based off the ETF, because are these guys not running the entire show right now? All right, can I give you guys more? Let's take this a step further. Set up an alert. I want you guys to go over and I want you to click right on this high volume node that starts right here, and I want you to right click, and then you can come over here and you can set up an alert. And when this says basically IBIT is crossing the price of 38.83, go like this. Buy Bitcoin, not your financial advisor, not financial advice. But you guys can set this up and create alerts for yourself, because BlackRock has no motivation to drop it below those levels. If they do, it's because they accidentally dropped it below, and not accidentally. The market liquidity is pushing too low and retail traders are getting there. Look at this. They dropped it back down exactly to their high volume node and bought it right back up. Guys, this is happening every single day. I'm giving you guys the cheat codes to the system on this. So give this video a thumbs up if you guys like this so far. So that's the first part of this video. Let's go to the second part and we'll end this here, because I think you guys need to see this. I saw this data and I was like, oh shoot, we should see this. Again, I know I'm saying this a lot. Members of Trade Confident, if you guys are watching this, please pay attention. I haven't even shown this to you guys yet. This is what's called long-term hodler supply. What you guys got to realize is when this bad boy line goes down, it does not usually end well for the market. And I'll explain that in a second. This chart shows the total amount of circulating Bitcoin supply that is held by long-term hodlers. Long-term hodlers are defined as addresses that have held the Bitcoin for 155 days or more. 155 days, so a decent amount of time. Can I just have you guys observe this? What do you see happening from past data from long-term hodler supply, and what is happening right now? You guys should all be able to observe one word, and that word is divergence. When you see price going up right here, and you see this moving back down, or let me go like this, like that, there we go. Price going up, and you see this going back down. What does it tell you? It tells you that Bitcoin is getting extended to an area where, let's make it real clear, people holding for more than 155 days, they're starting to sell. And this is a precursor of a bull market exit. Do you guys just hear what I said? The divergence periods are precursors to bull market exits or big drops that come into the market. What you're seeing right now is we have just created divergence where people holding Bitcoin, how long? More than 155 days, are starting to sell off their Bitcoin. We have less people. And so this is causing us to have divergence with price. Let me go like this, with price in this metric. But what has happened every single time, guys? As this falls, it is telling us that yes, price can still go up here, but how much higher? Well, we got to follow some more metrics for that, and we follow 10 of them in the membership if you guys want to snag a membership and watch the ones we're following. I am confident we're going to be able to time the top of this based off the metrics we follow. But I just want to show you guys, it's already happening. And honestly, I feel like it's happening a little bit sooner than I personally would like. I thought this was going to happen closer to 100,000. Because, you know, I'm looking at the past year. I'm trying to look at all-time high breaks. Look at this right here. We didn't even start having divergence till we were well past the all-time high break over here. And then take a look at over here. We started this just around this area. So we may be getting a shorter cycle like this in the market. So not to make this video long, I just want to say, guys, you've got people and you've got a sign here that people are already starting to sell out of the market. The hodler supply is decreasing. They are taking profits. Just be aware of that. All right, guys? I hope you guys got a lot of good stuff out of this video. I just want to come on and just give you really good value. Subscribe to this Trade Confident channel if you guys want more videos like these, and then definitely snag a membership. If you guys would like, the membership is $59 a month. Go to the website. There's a subscribe button up here. We have trade setups you can enter in right now if you would like. Future forecast, I go over every Tuesday and Friday. You guys can click off the video right now. That's fine. Let me just read these questions that I know are on people's minds, and I cover it this morning if you guys want to get into the membership and watch this. So here's what I covered this morning. When is the peak of Bitcoin estimated to be in regards to price and time? I have that data, guys. I promise you. What is the best data to use to exit altcoins and low cap gems at peak prices? It's not the same data as Bitcoin, by the way. If Coinbase Exchange goes down by bankruptcy or fraud, where can we store our crypto so we don't lose it? I'll give you guys an option. I will show you what I'm using in the future forecast this morning. How do I beat Blackrock by buying the dips of if Coinbase goes down? Because you guys know Coinbase wouldn't allow people to actually deposit money or even place trades on the last two big drops. There's a way you guys can actually have orders go through even if Coinbase goes down. I'll explain that to you guys. When are we going to start dollar cost averaging out of the crypto bull market? I'll show you guys exactly where that's at. What metrics should you be tracking daily to time the top of altcoins in Bitcoin? I will show you exactly what those are. When should you put the rest of your cash in the market? Is now the time? Because people are emailing me and they're like, Travis, I've got this money on the sidelines and I just need to know, should I just put the rest in the market? I will explain to you guys exactly with charts my thought on that. Okay, there's the video. Watch it this morning. You're going to pay $59 and you guys can watch literally 8 of these a month. I promise you it's the best value you guys will have. And also a little update on our account. We are at $939,000. $400,000 is break even. So we are $539,000 in profit on our account. And we're doing very, very well. We're up just over 600% on our Solana trade. So guys, that's the membership. If you want a membership and you want to see all that data, join us. You guys have the video today, and then I'll do another one on Friday, and you guys will get $650 off all of our indicators as well for being a member. That's all I got today, guys. Hope you have a good one. Subscribe for the next video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.